do you suppose mean do that?
That's the damnedest thing I ever saw. I don't know. It seemed to swoop down at you deliberately. Oh, you're bleeding, too. Let's take care of that. Okay? That's the girl. Come on.
What happened, Mitch?
Gull hit her.
A gull?
Oh. Let's try up at the restaurant, all right? Might need a tetanus shot.
I had a booster before I went abroad last May.
What happened?
Oh, Deke. Young lady cut herself.
Shall I call a doctor?
Oh, I don't think it's that serious.
Let's see. Helen, get some cotton and antiseptic. You cut yourself outside in this?
Now, don't worry, Deke. She did it in a boat.
Well, I had a man trip and fall in the parking lot once. Sued me before I could bat an eyelash.
I don't think Miss Daniels is going to sue anybody.
Here.
Well, you're the lawyer.
Thanks, Deke.
What's that?
Just some peroxide. I'll clean out the cut.
So you're a lawyer?
That's right. Of course, I usually defend people, Miss Daniels, but if I were prosecuting...
Do you practice here?
San Francisco. What are you doing up here?
What kind of law?
Criminal.
Is that why you want to see everyone behind bars?
Oh, not everyone, Miss Daniels.
Only violators and practical jokers.
That's right.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. What are you doing up here?
Didn't you see the lovebirds?
Oh, you mean you came all this way to bring me those birds?
To bring your sister those birds. She said it was her birthday. Besides, I was coming up anyway.
What for?
To see a friend of mine. Careful.
Oh, sorry. Who's your friend?
Annie Hayworth, the school teacher.
Annie Hayworth. Well, a small world.
Yes.
How do you know Annie?
We went to school together. College.
Did you? Imagine that. How long are you staying up here?
The weekend.
Well, I think the bleeding's almost stopped. Why don't you hold that on? So you came up to see Annie, huh?
Yes.
I think you came up to see me.
Now, why would I want to see you of all people?
I don't know. But you must have gone to a lot of trouble to find out who I was and where I lived.
Oh, it was no trouble at all. I simply called my father's newspaper. Besides, I was coming up anyway. I've already told you that.
You really like me, huh?
I loathe you. You have no manners, you're arrogant and conceited, and I wrote you a letter about it, in fact. But I tore it up.
What did it say?
None of your business. I can't say I like your seagulls much either. I come all the way up here to...
But you were coming up anyway, remember?
Mitch? I thought I saw your car. What are you doing in town?
I had to acknowledge a delivery.
Of what?
Mother, I'd like you to meet Melanie Daniels. Miss Daniels, my mother.
How do you do?
How'd you do, Miss Daniels? Acknowledge a what?
A delivery. Miss Daniels brought us some birds from San Francisco.
Oh.
For Kathy, for her birthday. Where is she?
Across at Brinkmeyer's.
As a matter of fact, Miss Daniels is staying up here for the weekend, so I've already invited her for dinner tonight. Well, you did go to the trouble of bringing those birds.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
You did say birds.
Yes, lovebirds.
Oh, I see.
So we couldn't let you get away without thanking you in some small way? And you haven't met Kathy, and you are staying in the weekend?
Well, yes, but...
Well, you are, aren't you?
Certainly, but...
Well, then it's all settled. What time is dinner, Mother?
7 o'clock, the same as usual.
I'll pick you up. Where are you staying?
With Annie, of course.
Oh, of course. How stupid of me. Of
7:15?
Annie may have made other plans. I'll have to see. Besides, I can find my own way.
You sure now you won't hire a boat or anything?
I'm sure.
7:00 then.
Maybe.
We'll be waiting for you. How's your head?
Oh, much better, thank you. A gull hit me, Mrs. Brenner, that's all.